Alright, so we're going to make an origami frog that's going to look a little bit like this guy right here. So what you need is you need an index card. You're going to fold it in half long ways. And feel free during the video to pause so that way you can follow along. So here I am folding it long ways. Okay, and now that I folded it long ways, I'm actually going to open it up. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is something that you guys should not be doing, but I'm going to do it just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to follow along. I'm going to draw a line over the crease that I just made. Okay, so there you can see the new purple line. That is the crease that I just made. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this corner here, I'm going to fold it over perfectly so I have a nice triangle and a nice right angle right here. Okay, then you're going to fold down. Remember, this step of the pen is not part of the frog. So there I've made one line that cuts across my first crease. And now I'm going to take the second corner up here, I'm going to fold down over it, kind of following this new line that I made. Fold down and crease it. Right. And now when you open it up, you're going to see something that looks a little bit like this. You have this one long line and this X here at the top half of your index card. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 points up here, the top of almost this square, and I'm going to fold it down over so they meet up with these 2 points down here. Alright, so I'm just going to fold down. So I'm kind of folding the X in half. And again, make a nice, good crease. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's folded down. And then when I open it up, I see this. Alright, so now what you should have on your card is 1, 2, 3, 4 creases. You've made 4 folds. This next step is a little bit tricky, because what you're going to do is you're going to bring together this point and this point to the middle crease about there. Alright, so these 3 dots need to get together, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I start off with one side. I'm going to bring it down like so. And then I'm going to get the other side too and bring it down like so. So now what I have here, you can kind of see it, I have this fold of paper right here in the center that's sticking up straight at us. And I have these 2 triangles along the side. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my finger inside the fold that's left sticking up and press down. And you can see that this is starting to flatten out and make a new triangle up on top. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Alright, so there we go. I folded it down again. And now we have a shape that looks like this if you're looking at it from the bottom, and like this from the top, or like this. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and fold it up to here, and this is making the front legs of your frog. Alright, so we're making this part right here, and do the same thing on the other side. Now our front legs of our frog are done, we need to make our back legs, this part. So what we're going to do is these 2 long edges have to be folded over so they meet the crease in the center. So watch how I do that. So there's one crease, and I'm going to take the other long side, have it meet the crease in the center. Alright, and we have about 2 more steps left. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this part of the frog so it's meeting here at this point. So it looks about like that. And now to finish up with the back legs, I'm going to fold this back the other way. And now I have my frog. So right now he's on his back. But here you can see what he looks like from the side and from the top. So feel free, once you're all set and you have one frog, to go ahead and practice jumping them. There you go.